Assalamu alaikum students, be ready. Para. After all, this is a party not known for street spectacles, The last time Nawaz Sharif returned to the country from Saudi Arabia, his party could not even manage a half-decent show, even though it came shortly after the spectacular show organized by the PPP for Benazir Bhutto's arrival in Karachi in October 2007. And while comparisons were made back then, they did not phase the party, neither did they stop it from winning back central Punjab from its evil twin, the PMLQ, which had ruled the province during the prosperous Musharraf years. But the Natis were different, so was Pakistan, including Punjab. The PMLN knows this, which is why, unlike the past, it now tries to match its competitors' street shows, song for song and flag for flag. It is noteworthy that in its heyday, the PMLN did not bother with jalsas at Minar-e-Pakistan, para. Other than the PDM gathering here one cold December evening, this is perhaps the only other occasion where the party put together a show of this size in this park. The party's nervousness was evident from its bizarre statements during the preparations, offers of motorbikes and warnings to keep track of people through their phones, smaller gatherings were planned and then cancelled, but grand it was and successful, yet, one is forced to ask if the leader's personal suffering still resonates in a land where inflation has ravaged every home and state excesses have touched many. How would these people view a return of a former symbol of defiance, whose return was marked at every moment by signs of the support he now enjoys? So much so, it was as if his return was deliberately tarnished in the eyes of a disgruntled populace which has spent the past 5 years choosing the victim over the partner. Para. Consider that while the PMLN was able to hold a jalsa on Saturday, with non-stop coverage on all television channels, PTI workers were not able to hold a gathering on Sunday. The victim card is now firmly held by Imran Khan's party, and mere memories of the distant and recent past would not change that. And in the joy of return, even parts of Nawaz Sharif's speech sounded like a victory speech rather than one which is given at the launch of an election campaign, It was more about what he has planned to do rather than what he would do in case he was voted in.